a new mystery number to challenge you today called How Many Threes? The question is, how many threes are there between 1 and 100? I'm excited because this has my favorite number in it, 3. I'm sure that you have a number that you love the best. It's the one you pick whenever you get the chance. Maybe you might call it your lucky number. For me, it's the number 3. You might be tempted to say that the number 3 only happens once between 1 and 100, but this puzzle is asking you to solve how many times do you see that digit, the 3, alone or as part of any other number as you go from 1 to 100. Of course, there is one 3 between 1 and 10, which you can see here, but then in the number 33, there are two 3s. There are, in fact, quite a few number 3s between 1 and 100. It's up to you to figure out exactly how many there are, and when you do, send us your answer. You can reach out to us at our website, asktheteacher.net, to share your work, and remember to click on the follow button so you can find us next week for another mystery puzzle.